Those are my baby chickies. Hi, Shelly. What you doing? Hi, babies. They're my Savamas, my Silkies, and a Frizzle. All right here. Hi, guys. Frizzle rooster, Silky rooster, Sarama rooster. 3 roosters and 2 hens here. Sarama hen and a Silky hen. That's Peanut, the red Silky on the left, rooster. And then my Sarama in the sun, just walking into the shadow back there. That's my Sarama rooster. That's Hoops. So Peanut, Hoops, and then that over there, the Frizzle, is a rooster, and that's Baby. And that's Shelly, the white one. And Yo-Yo is the black Sarama. And Shelly is a Silky. There's my babies. Yeah. Yep. I'm not kidding. It's my babies. That's my babies. I love them. Hey, Shelly. Peek. Hey, Peanut. Baby, where you going? Are you eyeballing Pickles, Peanut? You eyeballing Pickles? You go after Pickles all the time, don't you? Yeah. Because Pickles used to chase you until you started fighting back, which is awesome. Here's my Savamas.